Hey everyone, Double P here and welcome. So today's trading session, I attacked a couple of positions. So you can see them right here. First of all, let's come over here to my position tab. So you can see Meta and NVDA. So as you can see right here, NVIDIA took a nice big dump right here, and the AI engine caught it all. Because if you're wondering, well, how did you catch that move on NVIDIA? Well, I didn't search for it. The PPOT-Analytics AI engine caught the move and presented the move to me, and I went after it. So you see here 20 contracts. Uh, let's go take a look at the PPOT-Analytics AI engine. So we come over here to the flow tab. The flow tab is the tab that is showing us the largest print. So out of tens of thousands of equity products and indices uh, online, 32 prints showed up. So these are 32 of the biggest prints. We've got two buy signals right now. I'll get into that in a second. We come over here to the options tab, and I want to look for NVIDIA. But before I do that, we come over here to the print tab because I walk through the same process every day. So we come over here to the print speed, and then I simply type in NVIDIA, and I want to see what's going on with NVIDIA down here. And as you see right here, 192.50 strike put, big, big volume right there. 1 day to expiry, bearish, 38,000 contracts being sold on NVIDIA. So I went after that because that's what the market was dictating. I looked at the chart. The chart is the last thing I look at. The video is on a little bit of a squeeze right now, but squeeze is not what I care about. And we come over here to the scanner, give it a second to load. And what I want to do is see what's happening with NVIDIA. So you see right now everything's in a positive gamma squeeze with NVIDIA. And then we got our bearish print right here, which is what I went after, the 192.50, 1 day to expiry, 12.97 million notional value. That's a big print. We got a good 85 out of 100 score here, negative gamma squeeze. And you'll see right here, if I hover over it here, we've got hedge fund order. So it's a hedge fund order. So hedge fund is rebalancing, or they're moving their position so that they can get set to ride a little bit of a lower wave with NVIDIA. So you can see it right there. This gives you all the information that you need, and that's on the scanner tab. So let me scroll back up here. And that's how that move was found with the PPOT-Analytics AI engine. It was a big move on that part. So I come over here to the trade tab, and you see what I did right here with NVIDIA. Total 390. Really quick, good trade on NVIDIA. Then over here to Meta platform. So you see what it did with Meta, 360 on Meta. Same thing with Meta. Uh, I didn't go looking for this trade. So let's come back over here. We can come over here to the PPOT-Analytics engine. I let the engine find the trade for me, which was Meta, and I let it show me the trade. So this is the power of the PPOT-Analytics AI engine. This is one of the most powerful software, if not the powerful software on the online right now for finding institutional order flow, hedge fund order flow, prop desk order flow, a family office order flow. So institutions, hedge fund, family offices, high frequency trading, prop firms. You want to see order flow? We have it with all the proprietary data that I put in here, which is 10 and 10 thousands of trades over the last 7 years. to build out this AI engine, and then we build in our proprietary data to plug into it, and it finds the trades for, and this is all done in real time. So this is the power of the PPOT Analytics AI engine. This is something you definitely have to get a hold of. So now we got three buy signals here. So I want to take a look at, you can see it right here, QQQ. So let's go have a look and see what it is. So we've got all three on the QQQ. And when you see something like this, which is at above the ask, 100% above the ask, this is telling you that institutions are overpaying to get into the position. They're getting set up, they're overpaying to get into the position. And that's exactly what you want to see, because that tells you that you are able to literally front run their positions and get in there and run with this trade and make an absolute killing. And you can see here they're all calls right here where it says signal. So there's no spread. So that's the power of the PPOT-Analytics AI engine. Those are the trades I took today. Let me see what's going on here with Meta, because this cleans out the data uh, after I've taken my trades, and it does have a little bit of a cache on it, but I always want to make sure that this engine is always filtering, always cleaning out trades so it doesn't get stale. So this is the power of the engine right here. So the moves are out. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this trade. Hope you enjoyed the power of the PPOT Analytics AI engine. More importantly, the trades that it got me today, which were, that's what you want to see. So let me come back over here to NVIDIA, because I might actually go back into this trade again. I just want to see where we are. I'm going to go back to the engine and look at the engine again to see what's happening, see if it will challenge for the low of the day again. So that being said, my name is Double P. I'll see you in the next training session. Take care, everybody.